Hello guys, I'm Prince and we're talking about COVID-19. What is COVID-19? This is an infection disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. How do you know if you're infected in this virus? Most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment. What are the signs and symptoms of coronavirus disease? According to WHO, the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. What is the recovery time for the virus? The clinical time for mild cases is approximately 2 weeks. He or she will undergo swab test, the throat and nasal test. What are the health protocols? 1. Wear a face mask. 2. Wear a face shield. 3. Social distancing 1 meter away. And 4. Wash your hand regularly. To avoid this, also we have to take care of ourselves. 1. Take exercise. 2. Take enough rest. And 3. Eat nutritious food every day. As a young person like me, being cope with this pandemic was not easy. Not everyone has changed our lives. The coronavirus affects the lives of millions of people. I really felt sad of all the things we often do every day. We can dream to everyone. Many people lost their job. Students like me cannot go to school. We are stuck in our home because minors like me are not allowed to go outside. We can beat this virus together and always pray to God. God bless.